Hi everyone, my name is Eli. I gave a demo to Michigan Python about building a ChatGPT plugin using Python, which will also execute Python code for you using Jupyter. Unfortunately, OpenAI was having some issues at the time, as well as I think there was some misconfiguration on my end. So I wanted to give a more in-depth demo of what this looks like. So let's get started. I already have the plugin running locally, so let's go ahead and install it. You'll need access to GPT-4 in order to do this. So we'll click Develop Our Own Plugin. We'll enter the name of our ngraph domain and click Find Manifest. This is going to reach out and grab our AI plugin.json. It's also going to validate our OpenAPI spec. Next part we'll need to do is enter in our OAuth client ID and client secret. I'm using auth0 for this, so we'll grab those from there. Hit next. We'll need to update our running application with this new verification token. So I will do that now. Next, I will restart my server. Okay, now that Fast API is back up and running again, we can hit Verify Tokens. This is going to verify that you actually are in control of this plugin and are the person running it. So I'll hit Install for me, continue, log in. And I've already logged in, so it didn't prompt me to log in again in auth0, but now we can see that the plugin is installed. Great. So now to give a little demo of what this plugin actually can do, I'll copy this example prompt that I've been using. We're going to read a CSV which has all the info about the Titanic passengers, and we'll try to generate a violin chart showing the fares by class. I'm also putting in this line here to not show a sample of any of the data because by default ChatGPT is going to try to do a pandas.head on the data frame. And I don't really care about that information. I just want to see the violin chart. So we'll go ahead and send this, and we'll cross our fingers and hope that everything works. So right now, ChatGPT is thinking about which plugins to use, how to use them. So we can see here, it started up a kernel. Next step, it's going to start generating the code. I already know this code isn't going to work because it's not valid JSON in this format. So ChatGPT is going to have to regenerate it and use the \n character for new lines instead. Yeah, so we see this here. So the next thing it's going to do is it's going to do the same code using this /n new line character here. So it's going to be the same code. It's generating the violin plot here, which we can see. And so yeah, now it's going to be actually running this code and using our plugin. And we can see that we got the result. If I collapse this now, there we go. Now we have our violin chart showing the fares by class. And ChatGPT is also giving us some additional information about how to actually read this chart. So yeah, that's a little example of how to use this plugin. Thanks so much for watching.